Hi everyone, it's Claire here. I hope you're all having a lovely day today. Today I just wanted to do a quick video tutorial and show you the amazing and incredible Wylera Dreamwave hair curler. Now I absolutely love this hair curler because you can change the direction settings and the volume settings on the curler, change the temperature settings, on the curler, and the direction settings on the curler. Now I choose the temperature up to 200 on here. That's only because I have really thick hair. However, if you had finer hair, you would probably choose a lower temperature setting so that you don't damage your hair. But that's the cool thing about this. You can choose what temperature you want for your hair, for your style of hair, and the direction settings. So it's got left and right, so you can decide which way you want your curls to go. And I think it's absolutely fantastic. Now I'm just going to get into the tutorial and show you how amazing this is, and yeah, let's get into it. Now the first thing I did is I just sectioned the back of my hair off so I didn't have too much down. I'm now going to put my hair in halfway here. I've got the direction setting set to the left on the right side of my hair, and I've just put my hair in like this. You'll press the button here and it will just suck your hair in. And then it will bleep. You can also change how long you want the hair curler to hold the curl for in the curler. Then you should have a curl, just like that. Now it's amazing. Now at first, because I do have it on quite the high setting on my hair, I will have really tight curls. However, once it's all done, I will brush through the whole of my hair, put a bit of hairspray on, and once it becomes looser, it just looks really nice, really natural, and just gives you a really nice volumized hairstyle. See, the curls are coming out really nice. I try to do very fine sections. I do have a lot of hair. However, if your hair does get caught up in the hair curler, it's not going to tangle your hair, so don't panic. You can pull it off at any time, and when it does get too much hair, it will warn you and it will turn itself off. So it's really safe to use. It's not hot to touch. The only place it's hot is inside, so it's very safe to use, and I love that. So for this side of my hair, I've done the direction settings on the right, and I still have it set to 200. And yeah, just doing the same thing on this side as I did on that side, doing smaller sections, popping it in. I do it halfway down. You can do them right up to your head if you want, but I like it a little bit more natural, a little bit more loose. Just push the button until you hear it stop. Let go. Wait for the timer to finish. There you have your curl. I think it's pretty amazing. I really love this curler. I've never been able to curl my hair, and then even since I've had 9 children, I've never had much time for me, and I just stick my hair up in a mum bun. On Saturday I went to the hair salon and I actually got my hair cut and coloured, and I was telling them that I actually hadn't been to the hair salon since like December, like my birthday. It was like 6 months ago. It's pretty bad. So yeah, I was so happy to get my hair done again. And yeah, so I've got blonde in my hair, and I've also got purple. I know it's quite hard to see, but the purple's more underneath and it goes thinly sliced throughout my hair, but you can see it in certain lights. But when you do the curls, it gives it a nice sort of texture because you can kind of see it going around the curls. I think it's really pretty. It's really nice. So amazing. I really love this curler. I'm so glad that that Wylera Hair created this hair curler. I've struggled with curling my hair for so many years. This is just amazing. The great thing about this curler is I said that you can charge it up so that you can use it anywhere, anytime. So here we have the finished look. As you can see, the curls are really tight at the moment. You could either leave it like that, or what I like to do is I like to let it cool down for 5-10 minutes, and then I just brush through my hair and put a bit of hairspray on it, and then it looks nice and natural and curly. Now, one other really great thing I love about this curler, and there's so many things I love about this curler, I could go on all day about it, but I'm not going to do that. and is the power bank at the bottom of the hair curler. Now, if you charge this up overnight and then you're planning on going out the next day, pop it in your handbag, take your phone, and if your phone runs out of battery, you can charge it on this. Now, people will probably ask, because this is chargeable, does the battery last? So I've got really thick hair and I managed to do the whole of my hair and there's still 1 bar of battery left. It charges really fast as well, so it's not like you'll be waiting all day for it, and I really love that. Now, the Wylera hair curler can be purchased through wylerahair.com. They also ship overseas, but I will link down below where they're actually shipping to. I know they ship to the UK, and I know that they ship from New Zealand, and I know that they ship to possibly America, but don't quote me on that. I will double check and I will link everything below. If you want to purchase the hair curler, you can use my discount code Claire30. Now that's CLARE 30, Claire30 for $30 off your hair curler. Now that's pretty awesome. You're getting $30 off the total price of your hair curler, and I would highly recommend it. I've never been so happy with a hair curler in my life ever before, and this is just fantastic. If you like my new hairstyle, I'll be doing this a whole lot more. I've decided to curl my hair at least once a week. So I hope you enjoyed my video today, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.